Hello, today I want to talk about neutron stars. Let's start with the basics. What is a neutron star? Well, it's just a star made out of neutrons, right? Yes, but they don't start out that way. Every neutron star starts its life as a regular star, just like our sun, a ball of gas and fire. But after many years, the star begins to collapse inwards on itself, and it goes supernova. Or in other words, it explodes. Now this explosion is very powerful and very hot, so the electrons and protons that make up the star meld together to form neutrons and neutrinos. But as the star dies, the neutrinos are simply cast off into space, just leaving these very tightly packed together neutrons behind. In fact, they're so tightly packed together, the density of the star is about 1.5 times 10 to the 14th times more dense than our Earth. And since a lot of the matter of the star was cast off into space during the explosion, the star becomes a lot smaller than it originally was. Most neutron stars are only 10 to 20 kilometers in diameter. The average runner can run a 10K race in an hour or less. Just as interesting as the star's creation is its rotation. Now, these stars were born from a very powerful explosion, which gives them very high magnetic fields. And as the star collapsed inwards, its magnetic lines were pulled closer together. This has the same effect as when an ice skater is spinning in a circle and they pull their arms in so they can spin even faster. Some neutron stars have been observed at spinning at 60 times a second. One last thing that sets these stars apart is how they appear to us here on Earth. Now, the magnetic fields cast off this light in either direction on their north and south poles, but this doesn't always align as it does on Earth with the axis of rotation, which means that the stars have these beams of light that are just swinging around like the light from a lighthouse, and it hits us alternatively, one and then the other. So here from Earth, we would see that as a blinking light in the sky. And that's why we call most neutron stars pulsars, because of this on and off of light that we see. I hope you learned a lot from this video and find neutron stars as interesting as I do. Thank you for watching.